I'll be showing you guys some really cool masking editing tutorial on CapCut. I'll show you things like how to do a text review video, how to change the sky in your videos, how to add fog effect in your video clips, and one additional masking editing tutorial. So please, before we begin, help me by liking and subscribing. So the first editing tutorial I'm showing you guys is how to do the text review video. You can achieve this by using the masking feature on CapCut. So click on new project and you're going to select the video you're going to use for this tutorial. I got this video that I'm about to use from Pixel. So this is the video. Click on add. It's just a random video of someone walking by. This is the video. So what you're going to do is click on text, add text. You're going to add the text you want to use. I'll be using bold for this tutorial, bold. So you're going to readjust it, let it be big, just like this. Then you're going to change the font to something. I'll just use this, then change the style. I'll scroll down and click on stroke, then select the black color of the stroke, just like this. You can increase it or you can decrease it. I just want it to be sharp, so this is okay. Then I'm going to increase it a bit more, then click on check. This is it. Then make sure you readjust this bold, click on it, highlight it, and make sure it covers the full video, just like this. Make sure it covers the full video, just like this. Let's delete this CapCut watermark. So we have this. Then you click on export. After exporting, you're going to click on new project and we're going to select the video that we just exported. You're going to select the one without the text first. So this is the video without the text. Then you're going to select the one with the text. This is it. These two videos. Then you click on add. Then you're going to highlight the clip with the text, this one. Then you're going to scroll down these options you have here and you're going to click on overlay. Then you're going to drag it down under the first clip, just like this. Let's delete this CapCut watermark. So after you've pulled it down, then you're going to move a few frames to where the person starts to walk. Make sure you highlight this second clip, just like this. Then you're going to move a full frame, just like this, a few frames, sorry. Then you're going to click on a keyframe. Make sure that this person walking is at the back of the text, just like this. You're going to select a keyframe. Then make sure that this clip is selected. This second clip here is selected. Then as you've clicked on a keyframe at this point, you're going to scroll down. This is one of the perks of using a mobile phone, and click on mask. So as you've clicked on mask, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select the horizontal. I don't know what it's called in your desktop or your iPad or something, I don't know, but on the mobile phone it's called horizontal. So you're going to make sure that this is straight. I'm using my fingers, so the line is not really perfect. So you're going to shift it like this. Make sure that this yellow line covers the full text. Then as it's covered it, you're going to use your fingers or whatever you have, and what you're going to do is you're going to be shifting this bar. As the person is walking, you're going to be shifting the masking feature. Shift it a little bit as the person is walking, just like this. I'm using my fingers for this, guys. So I'm going to be shifting it a bit as the person is walking, and as you're shifting it, the keyframes would be adding automatically. So we're going to move it like this, then you shift it like this. Then you're going to do this until the whole text has been revealed. You move it, then like this. Make sure you do this till the text has been revealed, just like this. That's it. Then, so we are done adding the keyframes and shifting the masking feature. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the first clip without the text. This first clip, we're going to highlight it. Then as you've clicked on it, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on duplicate. Maybe in your desktop it will be called copy or something, but in this phone it's called duplicate. So you're going to click on duplicate and you're going to click on overlay. Then you're going to drag it down to the bottom of the 3 clips. So now we have 3 clips. I'm using my fingers. So this is it. We have 3 clips: the first original clip, the one with the text, and the new clip. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this one, the last clip, and we're going to scroll down to remove background or cutout. Then you're going to click on auto removal. So it's applying it. We're going to click on the check mark. So click on play. This is the effect. You see, this is the masking effect. Click on play. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This effect is really difficult when you're using your mobile phone. But it's easy if you're using it as a system, a computer system. But still, it's a very cool effect. That's how you do it. Please, if you're enjoying this video, support me by liking this video and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much. The next cool trick I'll be showing you on CapCut is how to change the sky in your video. So this is the video clip. I want to change the sky, the color of the sky. So I got this video from Pixel. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on overlay, add overlay. Then we're going to select the sky that we want to change it to, the color of the sky that we want to change it to. I got this Aurora sky from Pixel also. So this is it. You're going to use your mouse or fingers to increase it in size, let it cover the full video. Then make sure you readjust it like this. Let it be on the same level as the first clip. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the first clip. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on duplicate. Then after clicking on duplicate, make sure you're clicking on you highlighted the second clip that you just duplicated. Click on overlay, then drag it, let it be on the 3rd line, let it be the last clip. Now we have 3 clips: the first, second, and 3rd clip. Then you're going to click on the last clip like this, and you're going to click on remove background. I think I've passed it, sorry guys. So click on remove background, click on auto removal. So it's applying the feature. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to select the sky clip here, the second clip. Then when you select the second clip, you're going to go down, select the second clip, then you're going to scroll down to masking. Then we're going to click on the horizontal, the first one here, just like this. Then you have to shift the blur, the smoothness. You can shift the yellow line, you can adjust it like this. Use your fingers to adjust it, shift it like this. This video, so this is it. You can increase it like this, We just want to make it smooth, so be careful. This is it. Like I said, I'm using my phone, and using the phone is kind of difficult, so let's smoothen it like this. So this is it. Click on the check mark. So we've changed the sky. The next edit I'll be showing you guys is how to add the fog effect to your videos. As you can see, this is the video. There is no fog in this video, so we're going to add the fog. So we're going to click on overlay, add overlay. Click on this image here. I got this image from Google, this gray image. So you're going to increase it, let it cover the full clip, just like this. Delete this CapCut watermark. So click on the highlight the gray image and increase it, let it cover the full screen. Then you're going to scroll down and click on mask. So after clicking on mask, you can select the horizontal, just like this. You can increase it, you can reduce it, you can increase it. So you're going to shift it like this, and you're going to adjust the blurriness or blurriness. I don't know which one is correct, whether it's blurriness or blurriness. So as you can see, the fog effect has been added. So this mountain looks foggy, the environment is foggy, it looks like ghosts are walking up and down. So this is it. This is the effect. It's the foggy effect. You can click on the mirror just like this and shift it to the sky or to the top of the mountain, just like this. So this is the fog effect, but I prefer this one, is actually good. Let's click on play. So you can see the fog. It looks like all these cinematic movies, all these ghost or vampire cinematic movies. Or you could click on horizontal, shift it down like this. This is it. You can play. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And also please check my CapCut playlist. You're going to see other amazing edits that you can do on CapCut. Be sure to watch the playlist and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.